student. He brought me back to junior year of college with one of the modifications that he worked on, where he incorporated an operational amplifier, which is a component found in any electrical engineer's toolkit. So let's please welcome Jason.
Hi, my name is Jason. I am a rising junior at Lowell High School, and for my main project I built my own Amazon Echo. For this project, it acts just like a regular Echo. So, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:43 p.m.
I also added my own skill that tells me random facts about myself. Alexa, open owner information.
Here's your fact. Your favorite game is League of Legends.
I'm also able to play music through this too. So I started off by using the open source code from GitHub and the command line to help me get Alexa onto this Raspberry Pi. This added features that you usually see on Echo, like the ability for it to wake up when you use the phrase Alexa. At that point, I was pretty much done with the project, but I wanted to do more, so I decided to make my own skill. To do so, I used AWS Lambda and Alexa Skills Kit. In it, I modified an existing skill that tells you facts about space and changed it to tell me facts about myself. Afterwards, I wanted to listen to music, but I couldn't do it with Alexa because it only supported Spotify Premium. So I researched and built my own amplifier that can do both play music and also work with Alexa. How the amplifier works is I have two audio cables, one coming from the Bluetooth receiver that connects to my phone, and also one coming from the Raspberry Pi. That splits off into left and right channels, goes into these potentiometers. A potentiometer is a resistor, but the resistance changes when you turn the knob. This makes it act like a volume control kind of. The signal then goes into the IC, or the brain of the circuit. That's where the signals are amplified. The signal then goes to these speakers where they get played out loud. I learned a lot while doing this project. I learned how to use the command line, how to build an amplifier, and also how an amplifier works. Also, while building this project, I got to explore different fields of engineering. So like things like mechanical, electrical, and also software. Currently, I am trying to move this amplifier circuit onto a printed circuit board, but this proved to be very challenging because of how complex it is. What I plan to do next is to move all these components into this wooden box. Thank you.
So you said the amplifier you built works with Amazon Alexa and music? Like how?
So it does, but it's kind of weird because music usually like to play it loud, right? So you can still talk to Alexa, but you just won't hear it, sort of. It's weird. Still work with both though.
What exactly is a Raspberry Pi?
So mostly it's like it's like the computers you have at home, but like really small. So yeah, it's portable computer.
You use the Lambda function, is it running on here or you kind of AWS?
AWS.
So it's connected to the AWS
Yeah.
now? To run the Lambda there?
Yep.
Can it play any music or is it only from Spotify?
What I meant to say was like it only like for if you wanted to play from Alexa, you would ask it to play something from Spotify Premium, which I don't have. So I have a Bluetooth receiver that I can connect to using my phone, so I can play any music from my phone.
Okay, so like even like YouTube videos,
Yeah.
searches and stuff like that.
How difficult was it to get the generic source of the website?
It was actually pretty easy. I mean, to be honest, it took me 2 days.
Can we hear another one of your facts?
Alexa, open owner information.